Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation. I have relocated my off-grid solar array. It used to be over here against my wall. I realized that as much as I liked having a little overhang over it, it was blocking the sun at the end of the day, as you can see here. So I wasn't getting my full 7 hours of runtime on my crypto mining computer. So I'm hoping this new position will help. Hopefully this yard can accommodate running for 7 hours, but I was noticing it's running down my battery towards the end of that runtime, and over days it was starting to not be able to replenish fast enough. So yeah, hopefully this new positioning will help get more consistent sun throughout the day, and I've just basically moved it over to this little retaining wall. Be a little bit harder to achieve the 45-degree angle that I found is the most efficient, but we'll see what we get. I'm getting about 10 amps out of it right now. It's a little bit of shade creeping into the 100-watt panel on the side. Good thing here is I probably would have room if I wanted to change out some of these for maybe 2 more 100-watt panels. I could get 300 watts out of this total instead of these 350s. And I probably have enough length here to be able to accommodate that configuration, so I might consider that down the line. But in any event, checking out the new position, we'll see how it does.